Okay guys, we are shooting through the lens of my GoPro camera here, so it's fisheye, and Wendy just bought me some new batteries for it. I mean, she bought this thing in Maui in 2012, GoPro Hero 2. Let me know what you think, the quality of the sound and the video on this thing. So let's just kind of walk around the garden quickly here and show you what things are looking like at the end of January. It has been very mild this winter. We had that cold blast at the end of December, or maybe it was mid-December. It wasn't the end of December. It's more like mid-December. And things are looking pretty good here. So just let me know what you think of the quality of the video over the other camera I've been using with the staticky audio. All right? Thanks for watching, and I'll try to do more videos with this camera. I'm going to do some underwater videos as well. Cheers from the Gulf Islands of Canada in our Pommy garden. Take care.